Hey y'all, this is Ann at Georgia Campers. I want to take you on a tour of this 2024 Coleman 274BH. And yes, this is a used 2024 unit, really and truly barely used. I can't wait to let you see the inside, so come on in. So the first thing you'll see here is towards the back, you've got this dinette, booth dinette, table drops, make this a bed. Big kitchen, huge sink. Look how big the sink is. And then as we look to the front, we've got a jackknife sofa, so additional sleeping for two, and a master. Now notice that here, this master's got the privacy curtain, which is great when you're traveling with your littles. You've got a place for you to retreat where they're not up in your business. So this large queen, it's got storage underneath. On either side here, you've got wardrobe storage. USB and power on each side. Table for a book, phone, little cubby for an iPad. And then as we come up here, the great thing about this camper is even though it doesn't have a slide, it's got so much light. You've got a place here to sit, to hang out. Coming back over here. Take it how much room you've got. Large 3-burner stove and an oven. Plenty of room up top. The fridge has got plenty of space. Look how clean it is. Not surprising for a 2024 for sure. We come here to the bunk area. Big, spacious, oversized bunk up top with a light. Also has a USB port right here. Oops, right there. Down here, this bunk, you got the exit window, a USB and a light. Then over here on this side, a fairly spacious bathroom. Skylight right there over the middle, so even you tall guys can get clean. Potty and sink. Little storage underneath. Vanity mirror. So as you turn up here, you can just see how much room you've got here in this camper. Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to watch this video tour of the 2024 used. Can you believe that this is a used unit? Coleman 274BH. Now remember, if you click over here, you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you click over here, then you'll go to a list of all other bunkhouses just like this. Y'all, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.